Dear Diary, we are heading to Europe with 1 sketchbook, 2 backpacks, and 0 plans. What the hell have we gotten ourselves into? We both feel like God is telling us off to Europe and just backpack, live out of a bag.
I was just praying this evening and I feel like God is saying to not make any plans. Just hop on a plane to London and don't make any plans from there. As regards to where we're going, what we're doing, when we're doing it.
So now that we've booked tickets, there's a few things we have to do. We have to move out of our studio, we have to sell the van, and get a new computer. Is that it? Never mind. Joel's got a massive to-do list.
So this is 55 liter. So I'd say that's probably a decent size. So this is probably what you're aiming for.
Here's what you gotta understand about me. I don't do physical. I'm the type of girl that thinks vacations are synonymous with margaritas and beaches, and while Joel's the type of guy to strap a pack to his back and rough it out, he knows better than to ask me to tag along with him. But this is different. This is no vacation. This is a wake-up call. What are we doing? Me going and backpacking, that's a joke.
You don't have to worry, baby. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be an adventure. You're gonna be fine.
Joel was like telling me I have to get rain pants. They're hideous. Nothing looks nice. There's nothing fashionable. And then like the shoes, the hiking shoes, do not look like nice going out shoes. They look, do you know what I mean? Like they just look a little bit like, no thank you.
Just been feeling really worried and stressed about we don't have our finances figured out. We don't know how long we're going for, where we're going, what we're doing, what's the plan, where's the money going to come from. I just kept feeling this sense that we were just supposed to take the first step.
You see, we just finished producing the largest artistic endeavor of our lives, and the fall from that high has us down and depressed, doom scrolling the social apps till the secondhand depression from comparison and AI-generated deepfakes had us lose our faith in humanity altogether. We might not have a plan, but we do have a mission. Restore our lost faith in humanity by exploring diverse cultures through the shared practice of art. Okay. It's got like this little thing, hides all of the straps so you can put it through an airport. There you go. It's gonna be my new look.
Nice. How's the packing going?
I'm so excited. It's terrifying. It's so little space, but I'm so excited to learn how to live with less.
I threw my back out again. Becca's like doing all the heavy work. Feeling so frustrated. Some of these tasks are so overwhelming for Becca and such a big thing. And for me, that would be easy normally, but I'm not able to help at all and I feel useless. I just really need to get my back better before we go backpacking in Europe.
Well, I'm packing. That's why it's such a disaster. It's like, oh.
I'm doing a packing test and just try and get everything to fit inside my carry-on, and it's not working. I have to cut a whole bunch of clothes.
Well, I did it. I'm packed.
It doesn't really feel real yet. I'm actually leaving our life behind.
With the reality of the trip setting in, I can feel my old self start resisting. I've always been shy, and the kid who took stranger danger all too seriously is beginning to have a panic attack at the thought of talking to random strangers. I know theoretically that the worst that can happen is rejection, but honestly, a change of scenery is not going to eradicate ingrained worldviews that easily. I totally said I was going to challenge myself. And this whole trip is really about going out there and meeting new people, making friends. I was like, oh yes, at the airport I'm totally going to go and paint somebody. Oh yeah. So the whole point of the trip for me is to not be stuck in my room and in my bed, like scrolling social media, doom scrolling. But the idea of talking to somebody and being like, can I paint you? Like asking to paint somebody is actually quite a big risk because it's a risk on their end too. They don't know what you're going to do. It's not a good idea. I'm really feeling, I'm really struggling about it.
Wanted to talk a little bit about some ways this trip is going to be challenging for me. I think a big one is letting go of planning. That's a huge thing for me. I like to plan things out completely.
Both of us are beginning to realize that this spontaneous backpacking trip is going to demand a whole new side of ourselves that we never thought to challenge.
Got way too scared to ask anything. She does not do that because I'm a bit of a coward, I guess.
I mean, I am already off to a rough start, letting myself and my family down.
I expect to see the video of you painting someone at the airport, Becca.
Welcome to London.
Why are we going to Europe with no real travel plan and an idea that, quite frankly, we are ill-equipped to execute?
Okay, we need to find the Elizabeth line.
The tube.
What does being artists have anything to do with it? Is it possible to make friends with strangers in a world that's getting more and more polarized every day?
We made it.
Yes, we made it. I'm so tired.
For now, we are just weary travelers with no idea about what's to come.
There's definitely this massive part of me that is like, what are we doing here? Why are we here? Yeah, you could say I'm freaking out a little bit.
But we promise that we will keep you updated as much as we can. In the meantime, if you are inspired to support us on our endeavor, you absolutely can for the price of a coffee on Buy Me a Coffee. The link is in the description. And also, please subscribe if you're curious to find out what is next. I mean, for all we know, God is a fluke and the world is cruel. But either way, we are bound to find out.